Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all how we can actually add a slide background to our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So in the previous two videos, we went ahead and showed you how we can actually add a solid background, how we can add a gradient background. Now I'm going to show you how you can add a image background to your slide. So let's go ahead and come over to the slide that we want to apply to. Let's just say it's our title slide that we've been using. Come over here to design, over here to format background. And now what we're going to go ahead and select, we'll select picture or texture fill. And from here, you see it went ahead and applied whatever this is. It kind of looks like a piece of fabric or something. We can go ahead and decide we want to go ahead and apply a image from a clipboard, something that we have copied, or we can come over here to insert, and we have some different options. We could find an image on our computer, we could find a stock image, an online image, or use an icon. So let's actually use a stock image. And we have a slide about golden retrievers. So let's see if there's golden retriever on here. And there is. Look at that cute doggy. So let's go ahead and select the dog, hit insert. And now you see we have this cute golden retriever as our background. If I wanted to, I could hit apply all and apply it to all of the different pages, but I don't want to do that. I just want it on that one slide. And then from here, we can go ahead and decide, do we want it to be more or less transparent? Just keep in mind, if you have 0 for your transparency, it may be a little bit hard to see the text. So some people like to add some transparency so that you can still make out the image, but then you can still see the text that's on the screen as well. You can also tile the picture. So you see it kind of throws it off a bit, but even if you tile it, you could always adjust that as well. So from here, we can go ahead and we can offset it a little bit. Maybe we only want to show part of the image. We can offset it to the right. You can do the same thing for the, oops, let me go back down. Okay, you can even offset the top and the bottom as well. So that is an option. You can also change the texture. So if that's something that we wanted to have instead of an image, we could do that as well. So there's some different textures on here, but let's actually go back to that golden retriever. And then again, if we want to just reset everything, we don't want to apply it to all the pages, and we're like, I don't really like this. I actually just want to reset back to where I was. I can come over here to reset background, and now you can see we're right back to where we were.